Good morning. Today is Tuesday, August the 1st, and the time right now is 8:40 in the morning. And today we're going to spend a bit of time to talk about the Hang Seng Index. Now, this index has been enjoying a good run for the last 2 months. In fact, it has already broken above the 20,000 levels for the first time since it went below these levels sometime in May. So we can see that this market has been climbing, but the climb is basically happening in a three-wave pattern, and the highest traded overnight was 20,421. This is offers obviously referring to the futures contract itself. Going ahead, the question is whether this market rally is sustainable. Now, today's highlight will be the Caixin Manufacturing PMI, which is the Purchasing Managers Index. This will be the index that will determine whether the market can actually extend higher. But of course, this number is expected to be weak. What is more important is going to be hope of a central government stimulus for Chinese equity in relation to the Chinese economy. So this has been what the market traders has been looking forward to. But to date, we have no news on those front as to whether the central government in China is going to roll out more stimulus package to support the economy, because consumption is obviously sliding backwards. So we can see that technically speaking, this market now is approaching a key level, in my opinion. If they cannot break above 21,000, there is a risk that the market may unravel, basically negating all the last 2 months gain. So far for the month of July, this Hang Seng has already gained 6.15%, which is very, very good. But for the year itself, it's only managed to gain slightly beyond 1%. So up year to date, it's not fantastic. So we can see that this market is obviously struggling, and we will have to watch how it performs. In my opinion, 20,552 to 21,085 in a futures contract is going to be the key. If you cannot trade beyond the 21,085, then the market runs a real possibility of unraveling all the good things you have done for the last 2 months. So if you are trading Hang Seng, you watch out for this development. That's all I have for you for today. Take care, and I'll come back to you tomorrow with another update. Bye-bye.